Hi everyone, today we're going to walk through the SEO audit feature in SugarMarket. To create a new SEO audit, click on Analytics in the navigation bar and select SEO audit from the list. This is a light tool to help you diagnose how search engine optimization is looking on various pages of your website. First, you want to give your audit a name. We'll call this the SugarCRM homepage and add our URL. You may also add a competitor URL if you want to compare your site to your competitor's site, or perhaps different pages of your own site. You can put any URLs you'd like in here, and it will just give you a side-by-side comparison of all the diagnostic points based on the keywords you enter here. So, I'll add my keyword of CRM. It works best if you only use one keyword at a time, but you can add multiple if you'd like to. Then you'll also choose the language that your site is in. So ours is going to be in English. And finally, you'll click on the Start Audit button. You'll see that the status is pending until the audit is complete. Once it's complete, you can download your report as a PDF. Usually it takes a minute or two to complete, and we'll see that now our status is completed. To view your report, you're going to click on the line to highlight the report you want to download, and then you'll click your export button here to the right. Then you can see that download in your browser. Opening the report, you'll notice you received a grade for the page and the URL you've entered based on the keyword you selected. So according to the audit, it'll look at things like your speed and whether your URL is SEO friendly. If the exact keyword you've searched for is in the URL, it'll look at all of your various tags and descriptions and images that are a part of your site. It gives you some different ratings in terms of other keywords that are used within your site and all your different headings. It'll look at the copy of the page as well as the underlying code. It'll also kind of go through social analysis. You'll see a whole variety of things within the report. At the end, you'll be given some tasks you can use to address. So if you were to go through and make some updates to the various things that the report has identified, then that would cause your score to go up if you rerun your SEO report. Thanks for watching today. If you have more questions, be sure to hit us up on Sugar Club. Talk to you soon.